Hello, welcome to today's calendar and math lesson. Let's go ahead and get started with our April calendar. Here we go. Yesterday we highlighted the 7th. Today we are highlighting the 8th. Let's go ahead and say today's date. Today is April 8th, 2020. Look right above that 8. What is the day of the week that we are on today? Yes, it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Excellent. Well, yesterday we had 4 straws in the ones column. We are adding another straw today. So 4 plus another straw now makes how many in the ones column? 5. Great work. 5 in the ones column. Go ahead and read. Blair, turn it that way towards the computer just a little bit more. There we go. Go ahead and read how many days we've been in school. 145 days. Excellent. What does the number 145 mean? Yes, it does mean one group of 100, 4 groups of 10, and 5 ones. That's exactly what it means. Let's go ahead and count. Stay with me. Here we go. 100, 110, whoops, there it went. 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145 days we've been in school. There we go. So how do we make 145 using our base 10s? That is correct. 100 flat for our one group of 100. 4 sticks of 10 for our 4 groups of 10, and 5 ones. Let's see if I can get a hold of 5 ones today. Okay, got them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one group of 100, 4, whoops, dropped a 10. 4 10s and 5 ones. And there go my ones. They're gone. 145. That's how we make 145. Excellent. Let's now write the number 145 for today. Here we go. Ready? Write that 1 straight down. 4 is the little down, little over, all the way down. And the 5, little down, big belly around. Go back and put that hat on top. 145. Excellent number writing. Thank you. And thank you, Blair. All right. First thing we're going to do today, you see yesterday's story problem right up here, because we're going to talk about some of that work that was submitted for the story problem about Amelia and her brother. You told me that Amelia found 52 shells and her brother found 33 shells, and I asked how many all together. So I had a couple of great things come in. Some of my friends were writing the equation that matches, which is 52 plus 33 and the equal sign, and we're not quite there yet. They did 52 by drawing the picture, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. They did 33 by drawing the picture, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. And then they counted their 10s and 1s all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So they knew that's an 8 in the 10s column. And 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 in the 1s column. So they all together, Amelia and her brother found 85 shells. Now I had a friend submit this. He said, I want to do the up and down, the vertical equation, and I want to show 52 plus 33. We know when we do it that way, that line across the bottom is like our equal sign. And he said, I'm going to draw a line between the tens and the ones, and I'm going to add the ones to the ones. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, same thing we see here, is 5. And I'm going to add my tens. 5 plus 3. 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8. And that also shows me 8 in the tens, 8 tens, and 5 in the ones, 5 ones. And my answer is 85. So there were 2 different ways that that problem was solved yesterday. Excellent work. I loved seeing that. So let's go ahead and set that one aside. And let's take a look at our number talk and problem of the day for today. So here we go. We're still doing our number talk based off of greater than, less than, or equal to. I want to hear, what do each of these numbers mean and what side would go in here? And I threw a little trick in here today. I want to see if you can figure it out. So on the first one, I've got 88 and 84. On the second one, I've got 17 and 10 plus 7. And on the last one, I've got 21 and 12. Let me hear your thinking. Show me what you're doing for number talk for greater than, less than, or equal to. Make sure you're proving it, telling how you know to your adult at home, okay? Let's look at today's story problem. We're moving away from shells and moving on to fish. Here we go. King saw 15 fish in one fish tank and 21 fish in another tank. How many fish did he see in all? So what is the important information in this story problem that we have to use to be able to solve it? The important information is how many fish King saw in each tank, right? So in the first one, he saw 15 fish, and in the second tank, he saw 21 fish. So that's the important information. Okay, let's read it again and see what it's asking us to do. King saw 15 fish in one fish tank and 21 fish in another tank. How many fish did he see in all? So it's asking us what question? How many fish did he see in all? Yes, it's exactly what it's asking us. So we're going to read it a third time, and this time you're going to get your plan into place. I want you to just think. Don't get started right away. Just think, how am I going to solve this problem? I want you to talk it out with your adult and then go ahead and get started doing it, okay? But we're thinking first. Here we go. King saw 15 fish in one fish tank and 21 fish in another tank. How many fish did he see in all? Let's think. Thank you for your think time. I want you to go ahead and pause the video, turn to your adult, and talk about how you're going to solve this problem. Then when you're ready, come back and I'm going to teach you a game today. All right, welcome back. I'm going to move my chair up close again so you can see my cards, because we're going to do another card game. This time it's going to be an addition card game. And I'm actually going to bring my board with me so I can write down exactly what it is I am doing. All right. So today, parents, we're going to need to manipulate the cards so that, again, we're not going to accidentally do any regrouping. So it's probably best to just use your 2, 3, and 4, maybe a 5 or so in there. But we have to be careful when we're choosing our cards that we are not doing regrouping. Okay? So, friends, we are going to choose. One person chooses 2 cards and makes a number out of it. So here's 2 cards. It's the number 25. So I'm going to write that number down on my board. And the other person's going to make a 2-digit number. Their two-digit number is 43. So we've got 25 and 43. Today, your job with your two-digit numbers that you made is to add them and tell me how many is that all together. So, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to draw my 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and my 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, and I'm going to figure that out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. And I'm going to tell my adult 25 plus 43 is 68. I know because 2 tens plus 4 tens makes 6 tens, and 5 ones plus 3 ones makes 8 ones. And I proved my math to my adult. Go ahead and enjoy this fun card game showing me two-digit addition. Again, adults, make sure it is without regrouping. Thank you. Have fun. Bye.